Good evening to everyone. Welcome back to English. And today's we are talking about our daily routine. What was our today's routine? Let me tell you, Rohan,
Hmm.
how what was your day?
Uh, Today is nice, but I introduce all the day. Okay, okay. I woke up at maybe 7 o'clock, and it's too early for me. So I do some exercise and go to the bathroom and you know what.
Yeah.
जानते हो. That's it, or maybe nothing I do, maybe not much. I think just I use my mobile, or this is my day, or not too much.
Now I'm telling you my day, today's day. I woke up at I think approx 8 o'clock. Then I brushed. Yeah. After that, मैंने क्या करा था? हाँ. Then I designed our YouTube thumbnail and also edit the video. And after that, I go to sleep in this afternoon. And then after I come to your home. And I came to your home and we went there, and yeah, this was my whole day.
Yes. And you want to talk about your favorite incident at that day?
At that day, favorite incident. Let me tell you frankly, today's I take bath after 2 days.
Nice.
Yeah. Or at this evening, I think 4 o'clock, not in the morning. Yeah, because I feel very hot. That's why I take bath today.
कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
By the way, I sleep also.
Uh,
A bit too much. And we want to say anything else?
I think our mind is blank now. We don't know what to say.
Do you want to skip this video? Do you want to pause this video?
अच्छा, मतलब finish करना है उसका.
Huh? Do you want? Maybe do you want to speak more?
What to say, यार?
What is this?